a charger. I already got the bed, but I need the charger. Sad. Guess where I got it? Guess, come on. Yes, come on. Come on, guess. Amazon. Where you get almost everything in this world. Ha. But this is what it looks like. I already ripped this off so this video wouldn't take forever. It was made in China. No big whoop. It's blue. Has a bunch of stickers on it. And like, just a symbol. And then it's like clear so you can see what you're getting. So it's just simple. Open like that, and then first, what is this, and why did it come with the chart? It's an elastic, and you stick it in. Not even elastic. You stick it in this little part, and then you start rolling it once you're finished. Oh, I think it's to keep your charger together. Okay, I give you to it. I give you it. Now we got the good guns popping out. Okay, so it has this little symbol on it. It's like a lightning bolt. It's like a lightning bolt. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. It's like a lightning bolt, but this is what it looks like. Really cool. I have a bag of stuff that we can unbox, talk about. So, get in for a treat. Okay, so this is coming out Sunday, but for you guys, Monday. Unless you guys like are on top of my videos, which no one is. But I want my eyebrows to disappear. Not all of them, but like a part of it. So, eyebrows makeup. This is the LA Girl Pro Face High Denturin Matte Press Powder. And this is the CoverGirl Foundation Outlast All Day Untermilent Finish. Creamy Natural is the thing. Mine is $2.20, but it might not be yours because it will be different. Everyone's will be different, but you have to like put it on a brush and then crop out where you don't want your eyebrow to be anymore. Goodbye. I just lost a lot of my eyebrow, but I think we're gonna do another one. Nah, I'm good. And then just a little spread of double do. But and then so I could put those things back, and now I've got this, but I usually use a blush brush to handle this Mercier, but look, I'm gonna use my hand real quick. I have it on my hand, and look how good like the creamy natural makes it stick. Go get the LA foundation, whatever you want to call it. But okay, so I'm trying to get it on me. So I think we're gonna have to flip out the good guns, which is this, and just pat. Period, Pooh. This whole thing needs to come off. No way. I have to go in class in an hour. Oh, wait, it worked kind of. Hold on. I could do this again. Just this time, less of this. More. And leaves more space at the end of your eyebrow. Unlike I did the first time. We're just go like all the way up here and call it a day. There we go. Okay. Now, we're going to dab very gently and go boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Or go like this. very hardly and go. Okay, whatever. I don't care. We're bringing out the big guns. My blush brush is what I call it. My blush brush. I grabbed it. We're gonna fill up the line with it. It's not working for me today. I don't know. Maybe it wants me to actually cut off my eyebrow, which I did once, and I looked amazing with it. But do I want to do that here? No. Because I thought it would be traumatizing to my life because I thought I would look terribly ugly. But that's it, I guess. Hope you enjoyed. Look at this Google Doc I made. Comment down below if you want me to show you how to do it. So, salut my kings and queens. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a like, comment, turn notifications bell if you have not already. If you have not already, because I will be posting 3 days a week. Bye. Which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye.